So now I am going to cover the most important activity, that is if. Okay, go to designer panel and click on new sequence, if activity, okay. And so as you all know what is if. So if, just drag and drop if conditions. So it will check the condition. If the condition is true, then it will execute the then statement. If the condition is false, then it will execute else statement. Okay, so let me add some example here. Drag and drop assign activity, and let's say I have a input, okay, that is some string, okay, control K, and str input, and here let me add rename this activity, that is input, okay. And here I will go and add something called UI path, okay, UI path, and click on OK. Now here I am going to compare, okay, the either str input equal to, within double quotes, UI path, okay. Then here I'm going to write some statement like if it is true, go here, and if it is false, go here, okay. Then drag and drop right line activity, and drag and drop one more right line activity. Here I will say this is true, okay, and here I will say this is false, okay. And now if I execute this, definitely the condition won't be matched, because here you see UI is a lowercase, U is lowercase, and the remaining is matching, okay. So in this case it will go here in this part, okay. Can we check this, and whether it is going to then or this text, okay. Then step into and click on, then it's going into false statement, okay. Because why? We know here it is a UI path and here it is also UI path, but technically speak that there is no match, okay. So how to match with this if statement while comparing with the strings, okay. Then go here. So here let's say str input, okay. We learned so in the previous lesson we learned a couple of functions, right? And those functions we can try it here. So let's say, and str input I am going to convert as a uppercase, that is u case, okay, u case. Then open bracket, and here also close bracket, okay. Then you try equal UiPath, okay. Now this is assume that this is a end user input, okay. The end user might be maybe they will give uppercase or lower case as well, okay. And so while comparing with our statement, we need to compare with the right text format, okay. It's a UI path. So here my condition also UI path, and whatever I am input I am getting here, and then I'm converting to uppercase, then uppercase to uppercase match, and also here it's checking the text also, okay. Can we try this? Just step into, and then step into, yes, it is going inside then statement, okay. Now it says this is true, okay. Now so let's say there is an UI path, some other keyword community, COMMUNI UI community, and so here RPA, okay. So here I want to compare, here I want to check whether from my string, okay, I want to check whether that UI path is available or not, or exist or not, okay. So those kind of situations, so I can use use case str input. Here I can say removing this equal, then I will add contains, okay, contains UI path, okay, whether my statement whether my input contains UI path or not, okay. Then step into, see here in the local panel, and once you executed, so there is an RPA UiPath community, and now it's the entire RPA UiPath community converting as a uppercase. Then it's checking whether contains UiPath or not from this string, and step into, now this is also true. So this is how you used to compare strings. So either we can straight away we can convert uppercase and we can compare with the equal, or we can check with the whether contain statement whether my word is available from this string or not. Okay, this is about if statement.